the only task manager that follows up for you, accounts. Meet FollowUP, powered by AI.
This procedure outlines the steps to attach files within comments in Trueaiwork. It ensures consistent and accurate file attachment for effective communication. Click the Your Tasks section to begin the attachment process. Click Share an Update or Ask Something to open the comment input area. Click here to start adding an attachment to your comment. Click here to open the File Selection dialog for choosing the attachment. Enter the file path to select the image you want to attach to the comment. Click the Comment button to post your comment along with the attached file. This procedure details the 6 steps required to attach a file within a comment in Trueaiwork, ensuring proper file selection and submission for effective communication.